There's probably an easier way of doing this. This is super cool, I love it. And I have no idea what I'm even doing. It looks pretty good to me, in my opinion. Alright, so the first video in this series, I mentioned that I lost about 6 hours of footage. Well, I lied to you. I just found all of it, and it's going in this video. So you're welcome. Now I'm gonna mess with the curves and try and add wires. I don't understand how these curves work. Geometry, it said something about bevel. Oh, there it is, okay. I mean, that looks pretty cool to me, honestly. I kind of want to add like a loop-de-loop, sort of. Oh yeah, like that. I'm gonna have the wires probably tied together with leather. The ones from the arms are gonna go down this, go into here along with the other wires from here, and they're all gonna tie together and go up into that. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. They have to be connected to the body, so I might clamp them. The way I have these motors clamped down with leather, I think I'm gonna clamp this down the same exact way. I want to bring that other wire in, so then I can run them along each other and have them right next to each other. So I got the first arm done. Took about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. So I got those hooked up, finally. And all I have to do is get these bottom ones hooked up and this neck. I'm gonna run this. Well, I might as well just do the neck first, shouldn't I? Okay, so I kind of sort of forgot about the backpack, and I want these wires to show, maybe? So I think I'm going to move them all to like the right side of the backpack.
If that makes any sense. So like, just kind of like move them over here and then have them go into the backpack, or I can just throw the backpack on top of it. But yeah, I can probably just throw the backpack on top of it, honestly, because the backpack's not but right there. It's not going to cover up too much, and it might look cooler. Well, I mean, we'll keep it like this, the way it is now. Also, I want to move this up so it doesn't clip through that, the joint. I really want to get started on the pistons, or the piston, this one specifically. And I also want to add a piston right here to this. This needs to be on the other underside. The piston needs to be on the bottom so it can actually go back and forth. Okay, now I'm going to add these wires. Hopefully they turn out good.
Alright, so we got the red on these bottom motors. I'm just trying to figure out how to bring the black through. We could probably just copy and paste it, honestly, for both of them, or for mirror it, I mean, if that makes sense. So we got all the motors hooked up. Now I might be able to just go ahead and do my my piston. This is super cool, I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make these pistons, and hopefully it doesn't backfire on me. But the thing is, with the armature, I can't really do anything with it until I get everything on this dude. I want everything on there before I go doing armature and stuff. Alright, right? So that seems about good. I'm not really sure. I think I'm gonna have to put one of these right here. Kind of dreading that. I'm getting tired of doing these little things. I'm not sure if this piston system even works. It either has to be lower. I can't really figure it out, honestly. I've been thinking about it and I don't know how it would even, because if the knee bends, yeah, I mean it should work, right? It should work. There's no reason it shouldn't work. In my thinking, I don't think it shouldn't not work, if that makes any sense.
I'm gonna add a little bit more detail to this body.
Oh goodness. I'm not gonna worry about the piston on the arms. We'll act like these have motors and stuff, so the piston isn't really needed. I want to try and do this backpack now. So I don't know how to do this kind of stuff, so I'm just kind of gonna wing it. I know this is kind of what I want. Not what I want, but what I need to do for like cloth material stuff. I'm not really sure though. I need to figure out how to do like cloth or make cloth look like cloth maybe. Also, it's supposed to have a tear right here. I need to do that. I'm gonna work on the materials. I'm gonna look up a tutorial on how to, I'm gonna get this material I'm gonna get most of the materials figured out, but I'm gonna look up a couple of tutorials really quick and figure out how to use nodes and stuff. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm doing. It's not working for me. So, I'm gonna delete all that hard work. I don't even know what I was doing. I'll figure it out some other time, because that is just so time consuming. Alright, so I couldn't get any smart materials to work with this, so I think I'm just going to paint on it, texture paint on it. I already have it kind of figured out. I looked up a couple of tutorials on how to texture paint, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. I want it to look realistic, but I mean, I don't know, it's gonna be different. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and first I want to start off with the body. Maybe I should start off small. I could just do the head. No, because that's the entire head. Yeah, I'll do the body first, and then I'll see how it turns out, and if I don't like it, probably try and do something else with like go online and find some actual textures of metal and stuff. Okay, so before I get started on texture painting, I want to go ahead and add some dents and stuff to my actual robot dude. I don't know. I don't think I'm doing anything right, but it's fine. Taking away polygons because I don't know how to remesh or anything, and I feel like if I do figure it out, it'll probably mess up what I have. So I don't want to do any kind of remeshing. Remesh? Can I remesh? Didn't topo? Yeah, so if I try to remesh, it screws it up. Jesus loves me. What are you doing, man? Alright, now it has a bunch of dents and scrapes. Now we can UV unwrap. Alright, so I just have to go to edit mode, select all, hit U, unwrap. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure what's even happening, to be completely honest with you. I don't know how to, I don't even know what I did. Yeah, that just goes everywhere. And I have no idea what I'm even doing. Like, what in the world is this? Okay, I'm going to, open, don't save, island margin. Okay, so I'm gonna redo the unwrap. Hopefully it works this time. So we just go to edit, we select all, we do U, smart UV project, right? Sweet, that's everything? Cool. Now what? Should I have, hold on, I want to include everything. If that's gonna be everything that's gonna be, that? Because that's a lot of room, right? None of these tutorials are helping me at all. Alright, I'm gonna restart one more time. He is in the texture paint thing. Okay, so I want to go to here. UV editing is where I go first. I'm only doing this for now, okay? U, smart UV project. Island margin. Oh no, I'll change that to 1 or 2. I don't need 3. And then whenever I go to texture paint, none of it is there. See, like what in the world? Alright, so U, smart UV project. I'll change that to 10. Okay, that looks fine to me. Texture paint. Then we go over to whatever this is. No textures, base color. I'm gonna say ×2. Okay, now this looks nothing like everything we had earlier. What am I doing wrong? I bet it is because I already open, don't save. Oh, I can't believe that. I didn't want to save that. I'm not gonna worry about the textures. I don't know how to do it. If anyone knows, please help me, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Smart materials aren't working. Texture painting isn't working. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Someone please leave a comment. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. But for now, I'm not gonna rig just yet. I want to make this backpack look cool. I have to figure out how this thing works. So apparently it's not a quad or something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. That should be a quad, apparently. But then you click on it and then you hit subdivide. Oh, it subdivides. So I clicked on the wrong one. It might be this one. Does this one subdivide? No. Okay. Because it has too many sides. So then if we join, maybe? Does this create 2 different paths? Oh, sweet. Okay. Then subdivide. Okay. So we just got to do that. There's probably an easier way of doing this. That looks pretty good to me, in my opinion. Last one. Surely this is the last one. Surely. Let's look around. Investigate. Alright. Subdivide. Look around. Subdivide. Oh my goodness. What is that? Subdivide it once. And then, no, we'll go right here. And then we'll subdivide it again whenever we get our shape that we want. Let's go into sculpt. Actually, really quick, I want to add a modifier to this thing. Over here, shade smooth, and then add a bevel modifier. I don't want a bevel modifier on this one. Alright, I should add my material first, shouldn't I? I feel like that's the thing that I need to do. Okay. I can't figure anything out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try and do this, I guess. I'm gonna make a pencil now, sticking out of this bag. I don't know how big though. I don't know if I should. I think I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller than what it is there. Well, actually no, because I have it the perfect size for it to be that size, so. This is pretty cool. I like this. I want to rig all this up finally, and then I'll worry about textures and stuff. Hopefully it won't mess up. I hope it won't mess up.